Channel 4 are placing a trigger warning on this episode, and when you watch it in the future on their streaming platforms, it will say it was made in 1998 and it contains language and racial impersonation which some viewers may find offensive.
Well, I have to say, I think you failed in your duty of care to your listeners by not giving them the appropriate trigger warning before you played
I should have done it first, shouldn't I? I've got it all wrong.
Yes.
I did the trigger warning afterwards.
Yes, you need to apologise to the nation. I'm going to have a cry and a little lie down after being exposed to that. Trigger warnings have become a very interesting aspect of modern society, and they've infected everywhere from theatres and movies to TV. With the warning that's gone out ahead of Father Ted, there's the ABC network in Australia. They've dropped that episode in its entirety, and Graham Linehan, one of the writers, he was saying, they wrote an anti-racist episode and now it's being described as racist. And we can kind of laugh at them because you have to laugh in the face of such absurdity. There's an archaeology course in the University of Sussex in England that warns students that they may encounter bones, which you'd kind of expect, if you're an archaeologist and you're afraid of bones, well then maybe just try and become a bus driver or something, and it's part of the infantilization of society where we're all being treated as very fragile, very delicate children who can be basically just emotionally traumatized by seeing something that they don't like. And what we're doing is that we're not, by sheltering people, you're just making things worse.